Alibaba didn't just copy Claude's answers. According to Anthropic, they took the actual brain behind it. If you think AI theft is only about scraping outputs, you're missing the bigger picture. Most people think you protect your models by limiting user data or by watching for clever prompts and output scraping. But if your partner has root access, you're basically handing them the whole engine. This isn't just a business fight. It's a wake-up call for anyone deploying proprietary AI models through cloud partners, especially overseas. The real value in today's AI isn't just what comes out of the model. It's in the model weights and the architecture itself. If those get stolen, your entire advantage can vanish in minutes. Here's what actually happened. Anthropic claims that while Claude was hosted for Chinese enterprise customers on Alibaba Cloud, they spotted unusual activity. That means strange traffic patterns and model behavior that suggest someone was digging deep, trying to extract what makes Claude tick. We're not talking a simple fine-tune here. Security experts would call this a root access threat. Outlets like Reuters, Yahoo, and Investing.com all report that Anthropic says Alibaba didn't just copy the system. They're accused of taking the core of Claude's technology. That's why global partners are rattled. Nearly every big AI company is running their models on third-party platforms right now. For developers, engineers, and startup founders, this changes everything. Usually, you worry about people copying your outputs, using tricky prompts, or even brute forcing some training data. But this is different. Someone tried to grab the actual neural network. Imagine downloading the weights, the layer configurations, the hyperparameters, the ways the model was optimized, the entire recipe. It's like stealing the blueprint, the materials, and the construction process all at once. If a bad actor gets access to your endpoints or can reverse engineer your architecture, they can clone, change, or roll out your model 3 times faster than if they just had outputs. The risk here is on another level. Your competitive edge disappears instantly. In the short term, Anthropic takes a trust hit, especially with partners in Asia and third-party cloud providers worldwide. Developers and CTOs now have to do more than just protect outputs. Encrypting model weights, using trusted execution environments, limiting API exposure, and running tighter audits aren't just nice-to-haves anymore. They're necessities. Alibaba is getting backlash, but let's be honest. In China, international IP protection is weak, and local companies can leap ahead with quick, aggressive moves. This could mean a big jump in local model capabilities and forces everyone else to rethink their strategy. Over the next 6 to 12 months, expect a flood of new security products, changes to model hosting, shrinking API exposure, and some legal battles over how AI IP is protected worldwide. Here's my take. This isn't overblown, it's actually way underrated. The industry has been stuck worrying about prompts and data privacy, but the real danger is model extraction. If you're building valuable AI architectures, you need to guard the actual model, not just its outputs. That means changing your workflow, putting endpoint security front and center, and maybe even moving computation in-house. That's where real AI protection is headed. It's time to treat proprietary model hosting like nuclear secrets, not just another SaaS tool. So, facing this threat, would you bring your models in-house or risk cloud hosting for the sake of speed and reach? I'd love to know